EarlyBird sent me a free sample of their morning cocktail. I wanted to demonstrate why this has become my favorite drink in the morning. Now this thing's real easy to prepare. It even comes with a little scooper. All you're gonna do is add 1 scoop into some water. Give it a good spin and there you go, you're ready to drink. Now the flavor is a real strong blast of fruity goodness. But of course the best part is it's gonna give you that natural caffeine from green coffee beans, as well as L-tyrosine, blueberry powder, broccoli extract, green tea extract, turmeric, and cherry. It's also got ashwagandha in here and black pepper. It's sugar-free, which means 0 calories and 0 carbs. So it's easy to prepare, tastes great, and I would definitely recommend this for anyone who wants to pick me up in the morning without having a cup of coffee.